along with states and cities all over the country, are reopening. But during a Senate testimony today, top doctors say the COVID-19 pandemic is far from over, warning government officials of serious consequences if they reopen too quickly. ABC4's Brittany Johnson has more on the battle between the physicians and politicians and what Utah lawmakers have to say.
As President Donald Trump pushes for the nation to reopen, one of his top health experts had a dire warning about doing so too soon.
If you do not do an adequate response, we will have the deleterious consequence of more infections and more deaths.
Dr. Anthony Fauci was one of 4 top health experts who testified virtually before a Senate committee on Tuesday. He and others were pressed on whether the country is ready to reopen.
It's important to emphasize that we're not out of the woods yet. Battle contends and we must, but we are more prepared.
In Utah, the daily rate increase is reportedly 1.1%. The lowest increase the state has seen in a month.
What we are aiming to do for this pandemic is to get to a transmission rate of less than 1. That's how you know that it's getting under control.
But the number of COVID-19 related deaths in the Beehive State continue to rise.
Thank you very much.
The Trump administration said the country is where it needs to be on testing.
We've prevailed on testing.
Utah Senator Mitt Romney disagreed.
Yesterday, you celebrated that we had done more tests and more tests per capita even than South Korea. But you ignored the fact that they accomplished theirs at the beginning of the outbreak, while we treaded water during February and March. I find our testing record nothing to celebrate whatsoever.
Last week, the president said the coronavirus might go away without a vaccine. Dr. Fauci says that won't happen.
That is just not going to happen because it's such a highly transmissible virus.
And vaccines, we've done a pretty darn good job of moving ahead pretty aggressively.
That was Brittany Johnson reporting tonight. Dr. Fauci said not to expect a vaccine for this virus by the fall, saying it was, quote, bridge too far.